Okay, after Mambarat Estate, tumawad ng ating ka-OFW na si Jeff. Pupunta naman natin dun sa kabilang shop yung bilihan ng mga ilaw o ring light na available dito sa Sukwakit. Saan naman yan?
Turi yan. Na Turkey. How much? Stands. Oh, change color this one. How much stands? Oh no! You say 3 color this one.
This only one?
Only one? Why like this? You said to me,
Only one?
only white? No good that one, ha? Lying to me, ha? It's not taking this one.
Yeah, too much people buy this one.
Yeah, I know, but
lying. Yeah.
how much in online? Only 8 real? Huh?
8 real only?
This one.
Oh, you check.
This one buy. Take.
Yeah, I take, but you check first. Before he say 3 colors.